In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Foxit Reader as your default PDF app. So, if you're looking to streamline the way you open and manage your PDF files, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to have Foxit PDF Reader open on your computer. If it's not already installed, go ahead and download it from the official website and install it. Once you have it up and running, you're ready for the next steps. With Foxit Reader open, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll see a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked File, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, navigate to Preferences. Alternatively, you can use the handy keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl and K simultaneously. Either method will bring up the Preferences window, which is where we'll make the necessary changes. Now, within this Preferences window, you'll want to locate the section called File Associations. Depending on your version of Foxit Reader, this section may have a slightly different name, but it will be something along those lines. In this section, your focus should be on options that revolve around making Foxit your default PDF viewer. You should see a specific part labeled something like Make Foxit Reader the default PDF viewer, which is precisely what we're after. Next, you will notice another section, which might be called Advanced or something similar. This is where you'll find a few crucial checkboxes that we need to pay attention to. To ensure that Foxit Reader handles your PDFs efficiently, you'll want to tick the checkboxes related to including your browser when setting the default PDF viewer. This step ensures that when you open a PDF from your web browser, it opens directly in Foxit. Including preview capabilities when setting the default PDF viewer. This function is excellent for quickly glancing at files without fully opening them. And finally, including thumbnail previews when setting the default PDF viewer. This setting allows you to see a mini preview of your PDFs within your File Explorer, which can be quite handy for quick identification of documents. Once you've ticked all the appropriate boxes, you'll come across a button labeled Make Default PDF Viewer, or something to that effect. Go ahead and click that. This action cements Foxit Reader as the default program for opening PDFs on your device. It's a simple yet effective way to keep all your PDF activities within Foxit Reader. Finally, to wrap everything up, click OK to confirm all your selections and close the Preferences window. And there you have it. You've successfully set Foxit Reader as your default PDF app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it simplifies your day-to-day interaction with PDF files. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.